Okay, so if you are asked to express an equation which is like this: 2 less than equal to a less than equal to 7 in modulus term, in modulus notation. What will you do? Now, to do this kind of problem, what we do is, we know that, let us write the rule here, that we know modulus of say a minus x less than equal to y. This implies that x minus this implies a, not a, x only, x minus y is less than equal to a less than equal to x plus y, right? Why? Because if we just arrange them, that it shows that x goes that side, that means x plus y is less than a, I mean a is less than equal to x plus y, right? So following this, we can solve our problem accordingly. If minus 2 less than equal to a less than equal to 7, then it implies, this implies modulus of a minus x less than equal to y, then we shall have x minus y equals to minus 2 and x plus y equals to 7. And if we solve this simultaneously, that means if we if we have these two equations and we solve them simultaneously, that means suppose we add these two equations, then minus y plus y gets cancelled. This is x plus x, I get 2x equals minus 2 plus 7, that means 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have 5 here. This implies x equals to 5 by 2 and y is how much? Y will be, take any equation here, say this equation. So y is 7 minus x, that means 7 minus 5 by 2. So 7 minus 5 by 2 is 2 LCM, 7 2s are 14 minus 5, that will give me 5 is 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So I have 9 by 2. So y is 9 by 2. That means, so if I move from here to here, therefore I had minus 2 less than equal to a less than equal to 7. This implies x, not x, a minus 5 by 2 mod less than equal to 9 by 2. Let me show the links once again. What did we do from the beginning? we know that a minus x is less than equal to y. This implies that x minus y is less than equal to a less than equal to x plus y. What we want to do is we try to frame the inequation or inequality which we have in this way. That means minus 2 less than equal to a less than equal to 7. That means x minus y is minus 2, which we showed here, and x plus y is 7. If these are the two equations, then from them we can find our x and y, and from this x and y we go back to the our equation and we say this is what's happening. That means minus 2 less than a less than 7. This implies I have mod of a minus 5 by 2. 5 by 2 is what? A minus x less than equal to y. Y is 9 by 2, and this is my solution.